Hello, in front of me I've got Chevrolet TRAX. In this video I'll show you how to install towing hook. In the beginning, take a look at the trunk of your car. Remove this cover, and right here we've got this styrofoam, and the towing hook was located here. Remove it, and now if you want to tow someone, right here you can find this cover. Remove it, and now screw the towing hook in. You have to screw it to the left. If you want to install it in the front because you have to be towed, prepare flat screwdriver and remove this cap. Sometimes cars have cap that is designed to be pushed out. This one needs flat screwdriver to be opened. Once you open it, screw the towing hook again to the left. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.